This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guys. Today I'm going to show you how to batch import Google Contacts. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we're looking at Google Contacts. To get to this particular page, open up any sort of Google application that you use, click on the waffle menu, and then you'll see a button that says Contacts. It looks like a person, and you'll come to this particular page. What I'm going to do, I have about, let's see here, 15 contacts. I'm going to batch import a bunch of contacts at once from a spreadsheet. And here's how it works. First thing you need is a spreadsheet. So here is my spreadsheet. There's only 3 names that I'm importing right here, but you can imagine if it was 300 or 3,000, the process would be the same. What you need to do, whether you're using Excel or Google Sheets, you need to go to File and either export or download a comma separated values. That's the format that Google Contacts wants. So I'm going to export this comma separated values, CSV, and then it's going to let me save that. And then what I'm going to do in Google Contacts, I'm going to import that same CSV file. On the left side of the page, you'll see an option that says Import. Click that. So it says to get started, select a file, use a CSV or vCard. So I'm using CSV, comma separated values. I'm going to select the file. And here it is right here. I'm going to click Open. It says File successfully uploaded. Click Import below to start importing. So this will be quick. If it was a large spreadsheet, it might take a while. Okay, here are the 3 names that I just imported from that spreadsheet. I batch imported them. If it was 300, they'd all be running down here too. So it's a really quick way to import a whole bunch of names and addresses and contact information at once. One thing I want to warn you about, the CSV file should follow whatever format that Google Contacts uses for its system. So if you look at the top here, these are the columns or the fields that Google Contacts uses. First name, middle name, last name, phonetic first name, etc., going all the way over. To get a copy of this particular format, all you need to do is go to Google Contacts, and then what you're going to do is you're basically going to export them. You're going to export the contacts, and then you'll be able to, you'll use this button right here, Export. You'll basically export it as a CSV, and then at the top of the CSV file, it'll show this information or something like it in case they change the format. And then you can, set up the data so it matches these particular fields. You may need to do some copy or pasting and moving stuff around if you have another type of spreadsheet set up. But basically, that's how you do it. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.